Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
We are showing you how to make one of the most frugal and easy Valentine's desserts that you can make. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, first we're going to tell you the ingredients that you need. This is a super frugal recipe for you. We have 2 packages of cream cheese, but actually the recipe calls for 1 package that's 8 ounces and 1 that's 3 ounces, and I don't know where you get a 3-ounce cream cheese from. I don't know. So we just get 2, and then I cut 3 ounces off of it, and then we use the other 5 for something else. But anyway, so that's, and then you have a cup of confectioner sugar. You have 1 pie crust. You can get the graham cracker or shortbread.
And the best one to get is this one. It's got the 2 extra servings. It's a bigger crust and it doesn't heap over as much.
Yes, and you'll see why that is helpful in a few minutes. But
it's helpful because it's bigger. I get more pieces out of it.
That's not my reason. Okay, and so you can do that. I mean, if you want to make your own crust, you can. I don't know that it would make a big dollar difference if you have to buy all the graham crackers to make it, but you know, I don't have a food processor, so I don't know. And Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
We never bought extra creamy before, but maybe it'll make it even creamier. Maybe. But you could get the like generic kind, but it's such a frugal. It's such a frugal recipe. We just go for the good stuff. Okay, and that, did I say confectioner? Oh yeah. And the most important part of a cherry cheesecake, obviously you need some cherries, right? Grape value is just fine. Cherries are cherries. So the first thing we're going to start with is our bowl. We have the cream cheese in there, and we're going to put in the confectioner sugar. We are going to beat that. Okay, after you beat the cream cheese and sugar together, then you're going to add in your Cool Whip. You're just going to fold that in. As soon as you have it where you feel like it's folded in really well, like you've got it blended in, Cool Whip into it, and you're going to go straight into your crust. Come over on that side if you want to. Sorry, I'm right-handed. You spread it out. And you can make yourself a little, you say like a crevice in the middle, like that. All right, last step, we just take our cherry pie filling and pour it on. And that's one of the great things about it. It is a super easy dessert. It is not a traditional New York style kind of cheesecake, but it's just a simple no-bake thing that you can do. You don't have to be really great at baking to put this together. And it's frugal. And it would be a great Valentine's dessert. And so we made that little crevice so that it would catch the cherry pie filling, and then it won't end up all over the sides of your cheesecake, which is also another reason for getting the larger one, because when we used to do it with the smaller pie crust, it would end up all over the sides where the pie filling was kind of dripping over the sides, which this seems to be a little bit thicker than what we normally get. But it doesn't have to be fancy, and believe me, Joel requests this all the time, and it's like one of the most simple things in the world. And that is the whole recipe. You just put it in there and you put it in the refrigerator and let it chill.
Okay guys, here we are. It's the next morning. This is set up all day, all night, and it's chilled and it's ready to be cut. Now, don't tell Christy I'm doing this because I'm eating this for breakfast. So, yeah. I mean, I guess she'll find out sooner or later, but you know. I'm gonna take this out. That's what it looks like. Right there. Oh yes, I'm gonna enjoy this while I go to work. Got some good breakfast calories in there. And let me just tell you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for updates from us when we post new videos. And tell us in the comments if you want to try this, or if you tried it, or any of our recipes. If you tried, let us know how they turned out. And that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel. Eat my pie in the morning. Eat my cheesecake in the morning. We'll see you next time. And don't forget, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.